In this quick video, I want to show you how to change your iPhone font style here on your keyboard with a lot of different options available where you could change your keyboard and get these kind of custom fonts. Now you could only do this inside of messages. So if you're sending a text message, you could change the font style of that text message. For the operating system, there is no way to do it. So people coming from Android, on Androids, you can do it on some Androids. But on iOS and iPhones, that's never been an option. So I'll show you how to do it inside of text messages. You'll need to download an app for this. So if you go to the App Store, there's an app called Fonts. So if you just search for fonts, you'll see this app. And you want to get the one that's actually this same exact one I'm showing you here. This has over 200,000 almost 5-star reviews. And basically, this is going to give you a whole different keyboard with all kinds of different custom options. So I'll go ahead and open it up because you do have to change a few settings in order to use this. So first, you need to open the settings, go to keyboard, and give it access. So I do have to press that. So right here, it says keyboard. I'll go into the keyboard menu. I need to turn this on here, and I need to give it full access. So it says full access allows the developer of this keyboard to transmit anything you type, including things you previously typed with the keyboard. So make sure you're okay with this before you give it permission. So I'll press allow here. There's no other way though besides using an app like this to change the font style. Now they have a paid upgrade, but I'm gonna press X right here to skip that. I'm just gonna use the free one here. Now with the paid options, you also get some of these other themes here that you could get access to. So you can, if you want, get full access that way. I'm just gonna skip this and go inside of my text messages now. Now I just have to press this globe icon here. And I should get new options here. You could see I could do a typewriter. Now some of these, you could see this one requires the free trial. Some of them do not have the free trial. So like outline, for example, you could type out text in an outline format and you see it looks completely different than an original text. So you could go ahead and check some of these options they have available. And every time you click on one of them, it will change your keyboard down here. And if it requires that trial, or the paid option, it will tell you that here. And you even have more options over here. If you go to the second option or the third option, there's a lot more. And if you go back here, you could also press the plus sign here and you'll see a whole bunch of custom fonts here that you could choose. Again, a lot of these are with the free trial or the paid upgrade if you choose those options.